Ninh Binh is known for its natural beauty, and in this paradise, there's a place that truly stands out. And in today's video, let's embark on a journey to discover why N is not just a destination, but an experience that will echo in your soul long after you've returned home. Picture this: limestone cliffs that seem to touch the sky, rising majestically from emerald waters, ancient trees draped in moss, whispering tales of centuries past. This is an UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Ninh Binh, Vietnam. Your journey begins with a scenic drive through the Vietnamese countryside, where emerald rice paddies stretch as far as the eye can see, dotted with quaint villages and friendly locals going about their daily lives. As you approach, the landscape transforms into a panorama of towering limestone formations that emerge from the tranquil waters like silent sentinels guarding a sacred realm. As you near the entrance to Tràng, the air grows thick with anticipation. The majestic limestone cliffs come into full view, creating a natural wonder that seems almost otherworldly. Boats are waiting to take you on a magical journey through the heart of this natural labyrinth. Once aboard, you'll feel the gentle rocking of the water as your boat glides through the calm waters. A soothing melody sung by the oars as they cut through the stillness. Each stroke sends ripples dancing across the surface, creating a serene atmosphere that envelops you in tranquility. The early morning mist adds an ethereal touch, shrouding the caves and cliffs in a dreamy haze that enhances the sense of mystery and wonder. As you drift along, the towering limestone cliffs stand as silent spectators, their ancient surfaces etched with time. Their imposing presence creates a feeling of awe, reminding you of the raw power of nature. The caves invite you to explore their shadowy depths, their ceilings low and echoing with the whispers of centuries past. With each turn, the river reveals another secret, another masterpiece of nature's artistry. The highlight of your journey is exploring the mystical caves that dot the landscape. The cave is one such marvel, its entrance shaped like a gaping dragon's mouth. Legend has it that the cave was once the abode of a fearsome dragon that guarded the valley. But fear not, for the dragon is now a benevolent spirit, said to grant wishes to those who enter its lair with pure intentions. Inside, stalactites hang like icy teeth from the cave ceiling, while stalagmites rise from the floor like ancient pillars. The interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing spectacle, transforming the cave into a natural cathedral. Another captivating cave is the Cinch Cave, also known as the Bird's Nest Cave. Its name pays homage to the swiftlets that once nested here, their guano, or drop-ins, prized for their medicinal qualities. Today, the cave is a sanctuary for bats, and their presence adds an extra layer of intrigue to this already fascinating site. And then there's the Sung Cave, also known as the Church Cave. Its high vaulted ceilings create a sense of grandeur, and the shafts of sunlight piercing through cracks in the ceiling illuminate the cave floor in a celestial display. The Sang Cave is also home to a variety of bats, and their evening emergence creates a spectacle all its own. The river journey is not just about the caves. The banks of the river are adorned with tranquil temples nestled amidst the trees, each with its unique charm and historical significance. The Bai Temple, one of the largest Buddhist temple complexes in Vietnam, stands majestically on a hilltop overlooking the valley. Its ornate architecture and peaceful ambiance make it a must-visit during your trip. But perhaps the most enchanting sight at An is the delicate lotus flowers floating on the surface of the water. These serene blooms, often associated with Buddhism, add a touch of tranquility to the already peaceful watching the lotus sway gently in the breeze. You'll be reminded of life as simple pleasures and the beauty that can be found even in the smallest details. Now let's talk about how you can get there. Reaching this hidden gem is part of the adventure. From Hanoi, the capital city, it's approximately a 90-minute to 2-hour drive, depending on traffic. Taxis and private cars are readily available. Alternatively, if you prefer a more adventurous route, you can also reach Tràng by motorbike. The road, while winding, is a treat for motor enthusiasts, offering breathtaking views along the way. Once you arrive at the ticket office, you'll need to purchase tickets for both the boat ride and the caves. The entrance fees vary, so it's best to check for the most up-to-date information before your visit. Now let's talk about the ideal time to visit. And is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit is from February to August. During this period, the weather is mild, making it perfect for boating and exploring the caves. The winter months from December to January can be cooler, but the crisp air adds a different kind of charm. Just be prepared for occasional rain showers. Here are some essential tips to make the most of your experience. Wear comfortable shoes as you'll be doing a fair bit of walking, especially if you plan to explore the caves. Bring a hat and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. While the caves are naturally cool, it's advisable to bring a light jacket or sweater, as temperatures inside can be lower than outside. And forget to bring a camera to capture the stunning scenery and a tripod. If you want to take photos inside the caves where the lighting can be dimmed. And finally, be respectful of the religious sites and caves. Remember, you are visiting places of cultural and spiritual significance. If you have more time, consider extending your trip to include nearby attractions such as the nearby Tam CCC, another beautiful area known for its scenic beauty and ancient temples. As your journey through and draws to a close, you'll find yourself filled with a profound sense of gratitude for the experience, the towering limestone formations, the enigmatic caves. The tranquil temples and the serene lotus-filled waters have created an indelible imprint on your soul. N is more than a destination. It's a journey into the heart of Vietnam's natural wonders. It's a place where ancient landscapes meet timeless traditions, where every view is a masterpiece and every moment is a step back in time. If you're a nature lover, an adventurer, or simply someone seeking solace in the beauty of the great outdoors, N is a must-visit destination. Let the majestic limestone cliffs, the mystical caves, and the tranquil waters of N be your guide as you embark on a journey that will leave you in awe of the natural world. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour van. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please feel free to leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel adventures. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep discovering the beauty of our world. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing travel content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next one.